Welcome, this is my unboxing of the Micheal Kors Access smartwatch, the Bradshaw. This is the packaging. Here we have a little, let's see, compatible with Android OS 4.3 and higher, iOS 8.2 and above. Okay, let's get in the box. This is a rose gold color. I unboxed this before because I updated to Android Wear 2.0, so if it looks trouble unboxing before. Okay, this is what you get with it. Quick start guide. What is this? This is a pamphlet. This is where you get the charger. This is the charger for it. Otherwise, Qi charger, I think. This is in case you change the watch band to like a leather strap or something. Anyways, let's get a look at the watch. It's the rose gold color. That's how it looks. Powered on. As you can see, Micheal Kors Access. It's running Android Wear 2.0, which is Android Oreo 8.0. It came with Android 6.0 Marshmallow installed. I upgraded it to Android Wear 2.0 because it gives better features for the iOS, because I'm using it with an iPhone. Taking a while to boot up. It doesn't have a heart rate sensor. You can see on the back, it doesn't have a heart rate sensor. There's the speaker. Okay. I put a password on it. You can have a password on the watch if you want. Oh, let me put in the password. Here it is. Here are the apps. Some of these apps are apps that I installed on it myself. Go through this, such as this Wi-Fi manager, the weather, Wear Media, VideoTube. This is YouTube. VideoTube is YouTube for Android Wear. I also installed Photos and a Notepad, File Explorer, the Mail, a keyboard, better keyboard, so it's easier to use this keyboard than a normal keyboard with such a tiny screen. You also can have your contacts on the watch. I installed a calendar and a calculator app. Let's go into the settings. Took a while to come up. Let's go about model. As you can see, this is an Access Bradshaw. As I said before, Android Wear 2.0, Android OS 8.0, security patch level December 1st, 2017, so it's not really updated yet. This watch doesn't support LTE, but you can use the Wi-Fi on it. So this is my unboxing of the, hold on, you see, you can switch watch faces. I install a few of them. The watch faces, you can find them on the Play Store for Android Wear, but if you are using this with Android, you'd have much more watch faces and apps to use, because using it on iOS is a little limited right now, so it's better to use it on Android. But this is a nice watch, so if you'd like it, you can buy one for yourself. Anyways, this was my unboxing of the Micheal Kors Access Bradshaw smartwatch. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe and leave a like. That would be much appreciated. Peace.